and welcome to the channel. Incredibly excited to speak to you guys today about the brand new Shred Lights SL-1000s and also the brand new Shred Lights jacket slash windbreaker that is also incredibly reflective. So I kind of opened things up because I got ahead of myself, but when you open up the package, you're gonna of course get your lights, which is pretty cool, and we'll open that up in a second. You're also gonna get some of your standard mounts. So I was actually sent, it looks like these are the standard mounts, which are pretty cool. You can never have too many standard mounts. You're also going to get some, these look like the flat mounts that mount on your skateboard as well, which are pretty solid. You can never get enough of those as well. I also received, it looks like the GoPro action mount as well. And I love these because I like to mount my lights on my helmet, and the GoPro mount allows you to push it down, lift it up. And what's happening normally is if I'm riding in the daytime, I might have it facing straight out, flashing so people see me. If I'm riding at night, I might angle it down just a little bit. And then let's say I'm doing a group ride and we're stopped and I don't want to be blinding people, I'll either just raise it all the way up. So that's how I like to rock my Shred Lights on my helmet, and I love this mount here. So they sent one of those, which is very, very solid. So no complaints there. You're also going to get a variety of stickers, which is pretty cool as well. Can never have enough stickers. Now let's just go ahead and open up one of the lights and see what we're working with here. And when you open it up, let's see. Okay. Shred Lights is always pretty amazing with their packaging. So that looks very solid. It looks very good. And as you can see, it has some additional information in there. It kind of just breaks down the different mounting options and things like that. And then your light will also be in there, which is very, very cool. Let's go ahead and take out the light real quick. Oh, I just turned the light on by accident. So definitely when holding this light up, you can definitely feel the weight difference. This light is much heavier than the original Shred Lights, but what can you expect? It's 1,000 lumens. So it looks very, very cool. I actually like the way it feels. It feels like incredibly sturdy. The clip, the mount that actually goes on there as well, when you're looking at that mount looks way more sturdy. So you're not going to have issues with the Shred Lights coming off. I know some people said occasionally their Shred Lights will come off from vibrations. So I like that. When you look up top, you're going to love that USB-C port on there. Yes, we finally went with the USB-C port. That looks good as well. And then we also have our lights on the side, the activation here, and then there's one button up here as well, and that button up top allows you to cycle through the different brightness modes. And then also when you turn on the light, it indicates your battery status. I like that. You get to know where you stand with your battery at all times. You can also press it just to check things out as well. So I like the way this feels. I like the weight of it. I like it a lot. And like I said, I'm probably going to rock my SL-1000 on top of my helmet so that I can get the best viewing angle. It's cool to have your lights on the board, but I want to probably, my setup will probably look something like this light on the helmet, and then I'm going to rock the two SL-200s on the deck of my board. And that's probably how I will roll out, and I'll update you guys. That's just me kind of talking before me actually utilizing it. So I like the way this looks, and then this actually screws off if you want to take it off, and you can actually put in diffusers if you want. Let's see what we got in here, if there's one in here already. I don't think it is. Or is it? No, it doesn't look like there's a diffuser in it right now. So that's pretty cool. You can screw that on and off. So if you need to put in that diffuser, and how they explain it, the diffuser kind of changes the field of view. So if you want a more wide angle view versus a more focused view, you could utilize that diffuser. So that looks really cool right there. Let me see if I can find my diffusers. Let's see where I put them. And the diffusers come in a container like this, and you could see your diffusers inside of it. So I'm excited to see what this is all about and experience the lights. I'm actually going to do some riding tomorrow. I'll be testing out the Meeple NLS belts, riding that, seeing what she's all about, and then I probably would do a group ride because it's supposed to be excellent weather in Atlanta tomorrow, 60 degrees. So I can't let a day like that pass. Now let's talk about Shred Light's new windbreaker slash reflective jacket. Um, I like it. I just kind of give you guys a quick view of it. It's a reflective jacket and it has different reflective elements that are built into it. And when you turn it over, you will also notice that it has the Shred Lights logo and things like that on there. And it also has a very nice, cool hoodie function on there as well. And this jacket is incredibly reflective. Like, you can probably be seen 1,000 miles away. No, I'm just playing. But the jacket is incredibly reflective. And I like this because I'm probably going to be wearing this jacket under my padded jacket, especially in the winter because it's kind of chilly. And then this might be my primary jacket when I'm just riding when the weather improves. So I'm liking the way these things look. I'm going to, of course, put these things to the test and give you guys an update on how things go. I want to take a minute to thank all my Patreon subscribers. And in particular, I want to thank Shane for being one of our corporate sponsors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if any of these items look like they may be of interest to you, remember, I have a discount code and a link in the description that not only saves you some money, but it supports the channel. Remember, PEVs allow you to be everywhere. And as always, I'll see you at the top because the bottom is too crowded. Peace.